Hello students, my name is Om Prakash Dubey and I am faculty of chemistry. In this session I am going to discuss about buffer solution. What is buffer solution, why the buffer solution is needed, and what are the different types of buffer solution. Buffer solution actually the solution which raised the pH change after addition of a small amount of strong acid or strong base. The raised in pH, it means the pH change is negligible, that is we can neglect the pH change after adding a small quantity of a small amount of acid or base. Why buffer solution is needed? Buffer solution actually it raised the pH change, and many reaction which requires the constant pH to occur, or many biological reaction also requires to constant pH to occur the biological reaction, because the enzyme which works at a constant pH. Enzymes works at a constant pH, therefore we needed the buffer solution to keep the pH constant for the reaction to carried out the biological reaction. Now what are the different types of buffer solution? Buffer solution actually are of two different types. First is the simple buffers and second is the mixed buffers. Buffer is the types of buffer solution. Types of buffer solution. First type of buffer solution is the simple buffer. Simple buffer, and another type is mixed buffer. And mixed buffer is again are of two types: acidic buffer and basic buffer. Acidic buffer and basic buffer, that is acid buffer solution or base buffer solution. Actually in buffer solution the buffering agents are present which controls the pH of the buffer solution, which raise the pH change of the buffer solution. Buffering agents are present. Simple buffer is a salt solution. Which type of salt? Salt solution of weak acid and weak base. Like as for example, the solution of ammonium acetate. The solution of ammonium acetate, which is a salt of weak acid and weak base, when it dissolved in water, it gives acetic acid, which is a weak acid, and ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base. These two components are the buffering agent. These two components controls the pH of buffer solution in the simple buffer. Like another example is like suppose NH4Cl. It is a salt of again weak acid and weak base, ammonium cyanide. When it dissolved in water, it gives ammonium hydroxide and HCl. HCl is a weak acid and ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base. Again, these two components are the buffering agent which controls the pH of the buffer solution. These two are the buffering agent which controls the pH of simple buffer solution. Now mixed buffer and mixed buffer are of two types: acidic buffer and basic buffer. The first is the acidic buffer. Acidic buffer is actually it is a mixture of weak acid and weak acid and its salt with strong base. Again, the two components are present in the acidic buffer. Weak acid, as for example, is the acetic acid, and its salt with strong base like NaOH, and when acetic acid reacts with NaOH, it gives sodium acetate, and the mixture of acetic acid and the sodium acetate, it is called acidic buffer. Again, these two components are the buffering agent, or we can say, since the acetic acid is a weak electrolyte, it do not ionizes 100%, it remains in the form of acetic acid in the solution, but this sodium acetate is a strong electrolyte, it dissociated 100% and it gives acetate ion, and acetate ion and this acetic acid, these two are called the buffering agent of this buffer solution, which controls the pH of this acidic buffer. This is a weak acid and this is the conjugate base of this weak acid. Then we can also say acidic buffer is mixture of weak acid and its conjugate base. Now, it is not necessary that the pH of this acidic buffer solution is less than 7. The pH of acidic buffer solution, it may be in between 7 to 14. It depends on the dissociation constant value of the weak acid. It may be in between 7 to 14. It depends on the dissociation constant of the weak acid. What is the dissociation constant of weak acid? Now, the acidic buffer is mixture of weak acid and its conjugate base, and the pH is not necessary that it lies in between 0 to 7. It may be in between 7 to 14, and it is also important to know that the ratio of these two buffering agent in the acid buffer is in between 1/10 to 10/1. That is 0.1 to 10. It is necessary that the concentration of buffering agent in acidic buffer is in between 0.1 to 10. Now, the second mixed buffer is base buffer, or basic buffer. And base buffer is, again, it is a mixture of weak base and its salt with strong acid. Mixture of weak base and its salt with strong acid. As for example, the weak base is, suppose, ammonium hydroxide, and its salt with strong acid, suppose the strong acid is HCl, and the salt of this weak acid with this weak base with strong acid is ammonium chloride, and the mixture of this weak acid and its salt with strong acid, it is called basic buffer or base buffer solution. Again, these two are called the buffering agent in this buffer solution, which controls the pH of the buffer solution. Again, this is a weak electrolyte in the solution. It do not dissociate it 100%, do not ionizes 100%. But this ammonium chloride is a strong electrolyte. It ionizes 100% and it gives ammonium ion. Again, these two is also called the buffering agent in the buffer solution, which controls the pH of the buffer solution. Again, it is necessary that the concentration ratio of weak base and its salt with strong acid is in between 0.1 to 10. 0.1 to 10. Then it acts as a base buffer solution. If the concentration ratio is less than 0.1 or greater than 10, it do not act as a buffer solution. Buffer action of acidic buffer. Buffer action of acidic buffer. Buffer action of acidic buffer, that is how acid buffer controls the pH of buffer solution, pH of the solution. In acidic buffer, weak acid and its salt with the strong base is present. That is, in solution weak acid do not ionizes 100%, but this salt, it ionizes 100%. And in solution, actually this acetic acid and its conjugate base acetate ion is present, and this weak acid and the conjugate base of this weak acid are the buffering agent which controls the pH of buffer solution. When acid is added in this buffer solution, when strong acid is added in this buffer solution, like in acid buffer solution, these two components are present. When acid is added in this buffer solution, this weak base reacts with this base, conjugate base reacts with the H positive which is produced by the strong acid, and it forms acetate ion. And when base is added, this weak acid reacts with OH minus which is produced by the strong base and gives acetate ion. That's why the H positive ion or OH minus ion consumes by the conjugate base and the weak acid when strong acid or base is added, and the pH of the solution remains same, do not change, or the change is negligible. We can neglect the pH change. And the buffer action of acidic buffer is, basic buffer. Similarly, in basic buffer, weak base is present which do not ionizes 100%, and the salt which ionizes 100%. That is, the components, the buffering agent present in this solution is weak base and its conjugate acid. And again, when strong acid is added in this buffer solution, like H positive is added in this buffer solution, this base reacts with H positive and it forms the ammonium ion. And when strong base is added in this buffer solution, ammonium ion reacts with the OH minus which is produced by the strong base, and it forms the ammonium hydroxide which is weak base. That is when strong acid and strong bases are added in buffer solution, the concentration ratio of the buffering agent changes, and that's why the change in pH are negligible. That is, we can neglect the pH change of the buffer solution. Thank you.